Okay, we're out here in Bani still. And this is Kuya Marlon walking the goat.
Getting grass.
Standing out in the middle of the road. So this is what goes on here and out in the province. You walk the goat so the goat can eat. Pretty cool stuff. Walking the goat, walking the goat. And there's our dog, Jam Jam. Walking the dog, walking the dog. Walking the goat, walking the goat.
Oh, friend. They're friend.
Dogs and goats.
Okay. Okay. I did what you want already.
So anyways, let's see what else happens when the goat goes for a walk. Hold on. Walking the goat. Walking that goat. Alright, let's go see what's going on back over here. So anyways, we're at Eden's sister's house. This is way out in the country. Yeah, and the west side of Bani in Pangasinan, Philippines. So I'll just kind of take this like a hollow block house. It's really interesting. And this is their garden. So I mean, this is
the bitter gourd. That's what I'm telling you just now. That ate cook with eggplant.
okay.
With egg. So this is the bitter gourd.
Ah, okay.
Here's so many.
Yeah, big. Is this their whole? Is this all of their land out here?
Yeah, this is the land.
So this is all. Okay. Pretty sweet. Huh? That's alright, I'm going to kind of walk around the property here real fast. Pretty interesting. So this is pretty much it. This is how most people live out in the country. Let me see if the kind of do a little walk around here. They had a bunch of pigs back here a couple of years ago. Well, about a year and a half ago when I was here. No, 2 years ago. Gosh, time is flying. Anyways, this is pig pen, which is empty right now. But they usually have some pigs back in here. Yeah, it doesn't look like they've had any pigs here lately. Last time I was here they did. That was July of 2018. That was the last time I was up here. So, yeah, 2 years. 2 years ago. God dang. I didn't think it was that long. So look at this. Baby chickens running around. Rooster. This was ripped apart during a typhoon here. Last time I was here, it was all together, a little kubo. And then unfortunately a typhoon came through and tore the hell out of it. So we are out in the sticks. Alright, well, chickens, roosters, goats, empty pig pens, blown down kubos, my wife out in the middle of the garden. So, alright, that's about it for now. We'll catch up with you guys later. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon. Alright, bye.